start like this because I'll work for a little while on something and then move on to something else when you run out of steam. So in that way you have 4 or 5 things happening at once, which keeps the boredom to a minimum. Generally improve something because you hit a ceiling when you do something, and you sometimes actually get to a point where you're not sure where to go. Then you come away from it, you step back. So one is obsessed with being focused. Not so easy. Being focused is wonderful, but sometimes you've got to find the focus. You've got to go after it. It's fear of failure or not producing something that is a masterpiece. So what you do is you just work at it, you start it, and you see where it goes. Important thing is to start.